Hello, welcome back to my channel, Estella's Recipe. Today we're gonna make a kimchi stew. Kimchi stew is a soul food of most Korean people because most Koreans conjures up the images and smells of kimchi stew when they're in abroad. I also make this food more than 2 times a week. If you follow my recipe, you can make perfect kimchi stew every day. So if you're ready, let's get started. Take out 800 grams of kimchi from your fridge. I'll use a kimchi that was kept in a fridge for 1 year. It is always better to use an old kimchi than to use new one. Cut them into bite size. Cut 400 grams of pork into bite size. I usually use neck part of pork, for it is less oily than the pork belly. Cut spring onion diagonally. Put 3 spoons of sesame oil on a pot. Put a chopped kimchi and 1 spoon of sugar. Kimchi is usually sour when it gets old, so it is important to put a sugar to make it sweeter. Stir them all together for 4 minutes. Put a pork inside and stir them for 3 minutes. Put 1 spoon of chili powder and put 2 cups of water. Mix them all together. Lastly, put 1 spring onion inside. Close the lid and let them simmer for 15 minutes in a medium heat. Wow, it is done! Kimchi is even more delicious when they are in stew. Try making this at your home and share this with your family and friends. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button below. And please leave a comment if you have any ideas about this video. See you next time. Bye bye.